If you want to find your Redmi Buds 6 active, you can try to do this by using this Xiaomi earbuds application. You will have to go into the Find Your Earphones, and you will have to be connected with your phone. So like this. If you actually lost them and you don't have connection, you will be not able to find them. So now we can click to enable sound signaling on the left one, for example. Click to play, and now we can hear that sound. This is actually the left one. And once you actually find it, you can click to finish. You can also play both of them, so the sound will be actually a little bit louder, just like this. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe to get more tutorials about Redmi Buds 6 active.